Welcome to the Ultimate Adobe Photoshop Fundamental course, where creativity meets the canvas and your journey to becoming a Photoshop Pro begins. I am Iwule and I will be your instructor. Are you ready to turn your imagination into stunning visual masterpieces? Look no further, because this Photoshop Fundamental course is tailor-made for absolute beginners like you, with the goal of propelling you straight into the exciting realm of intermediate Photoshop wizardry. I've crafted this course with simplicity in mind, breaking down the complexities of Photoshop in bite-sized, easy-to-follow lessons. Discover the magic of Photoshop as I guide you through the essential tools and techniques that will empower you to transform your visions into reality. We begin this course by learning the very foundational skills in Photoshop, such as navigating the interface, starting a new project, understanding the working concepts of layers, and customizing Photoshop's interface to suit your creative needs. From there on, we learn how to color correct images, basically putting life into dull images. We then learn how to export files from Photoshop for different purposes and how to create, modify, and use shapes in Adobe Photoshop. From there on, we learn how to create and use texts, smart objects, and how to crop and straighten images in Photoshop. We then jump into layer styles, blended modes, selecting and cutting, masking, transform and distort, filters and effects, image retouching and enhancements, and then brushes. After we've covered all of this, we then go on to work on our final projects, in which you get the opportunity to review most of what you've learned in past modules and even learn a few new tricks. Get ready to roll up your sleeves. This course is not just about theory, it's about hands-on practice. We have exciting projects and assignments after every module, which will have you applying your newfound skills right from the start. Learn at your own pace, on your own schedule. Whether you're an early bird or a night owl, this course is available 24/7 to fit seamlessly into your life. Learning Photoshop has never been this enjoyable. Enroll now and embark on an adventure that will redefine your creative capabilities. Don't just imagine the possibilities, create them. Enroll now, let's paint a vibrant future together. See you in the first lesson.